Welcome to your channel. Today we will talk about EtherChannel. Like, what's EtherChannel? EtherChannel is like you bundle a few cables and make it as a one link. But by default, if you just connect like few cables to switch on Cisco devices, it will disable. It will enable like one port and it will disable like the others because of the spanning tree protocol. It's like built-inly configured on the devices. So as you just see it on switch 1 here, like 1 is enabled and the 2 is like lock mode because of the loop, and the job of the spanning tree is like to configure to avoid the loop. So EtherChannel is you just do for load blind sync, you will use that, and up to 8 links support and one logical link. EtherChannel can be configured in layer 1 and layer 2 and layer 3, and there's like a different mode. I will show you in this configuration. So it's called PGP, and PGP is a Cisco property. The LZP is Cisco. You can configure a Cisco devices and non-Cisco devices. So I will just jump in, start the configuration because there is no time. I have to finish the video in 5 minutes. So I just jump into the switch and enable config global mode. Interface range facilitate 0/1. Three ports are configured. Channel group. Six and mode is what I was talking about. So it's LLCP and PGP. So on both sides, I will configure desirable, but you have to search about these almost. Like these and obviously there is no time to configure like this. And the switch track. And some switches you have to configure like switch trunk encapsulation .q.1. It is configured already here and I don't have to. Do show history. I will just take this configuration and I will just paste it here. Same thing and switch to config terminal. Now let's see. Check the show EtherChannel summary. So as you see here, all 3 ports are in a PGP protocol, and the port channel is 6. It's created. Still, it's like loading. You see, it's like orange. We will just give it the time. So now it's green. So if you just see show running config, as you see, all 3 ports are in switch mode trunk, and channel group is mode and desirable. The same thing. If you check on switch 1, it's the same thing here. Desirable, and all 3 ports. So now if you just click show running, show spanning tree. So it's saying each channel 6 is created and the road is forwarding. So you don't see there like as a beginning. I just checked that expanding tree is disabled here. So all are acting as a one link. If you like the channel, please subscribe, and I just welcome suggestions and comments. Thank you.